Trim.
I'm going to doctor the haircut.
I don't know. But it was like, yeah. Yeah. It hasn't happened before. Okay.
You can step down a little bit. You okay?
So you can push it back, nice, beautifully flow, hugs her neck. I previously cut her hair. She has a very, very curly, I would say very stubborn, wavy hair, right, Mary?
Correct.
Correct is not the answer, yes or no?
Yes.
This is not the, you're not at the police station answering the questions.
The police station. Is that what you said? I haven't been there for a while.
Why not? I like you. Bring it on. I need to hear it.
She's gonna grab a sliced piece next door. So
All right,
we'll be
man.
back in a bit.
Okay, sounds like a plan, brother.
Sounds like a good plan to me.
He's bringing his son. He gave me 500 from Masonic Children's Home the other day. His father's a Freemason as well. The old man can't do nothing anymore, but...
My dad was a Mason.
Your dad was a Freemason?
Mm-hmm.
Are you serious?
Yeah, he had the ring.
But did he attend, did he go to large meetings?
Not when we moved to Philadelphia. He was originally from Louisiana.
Oh, so he was
So I guess he was a Mason. I guess he attended meetings in Louisiana.
Gotcha. Once Mason, always Mason, as long as they honor the oath they took.
Well, don't you have the ring?
The ring was given to me by a brother. Actually, I went to his funeral a couple of weeks ago. Passed away, may he rest in peace. And he was not really active in the lodge because he was a real estate mogul. He had a lot of real estate going on. Very, very busy. I wouldn't say mogul, but it was a pretty, he hadn't made. So he told me he got too busy, spare time to go to the lodge.
So he gave you his ring?
Yeah, because he was my friend, and he told me he was wearing his father's ring. His father was Freemason too. And he said, I want you to have my ring. It has diamond and all that, you know. I was going to get it redone. A friend of mine resized it. I have a jeweler friend of mine in Atlanta, at the Marks in Atlanta. But I have to get the level, gavel and the plum redone. See, this is plum. That's the gavel. See this gavel? It's like Freemasons.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Gavel is you spread the cement. In the Freemasonry, we're supposed to spread the brotherly love and affection among one another. That cement bonds us into one common bond because it's written, I can say it.
It's dripping over there.
Where is it?
Right there.
Yeah, it's okay. It's time to, but they don't make it anymore. $2,500, no more. I paid $2,500, $19.99. Instead
What's
of paying
called-
$300 for a,
It's called inflation.
what does that mean?
Prices go high.
They don't make it anymore either. Now you know what they make is a $5,000. It's called rollerball. You know, rollerball, gonna keep circling. Processes.
Oh,
You don't trip, please.
yeah, there's water all on the floor.
That's okay, don't worry. We're used to it. Don't you take shower every day? We're used to water.
Well, yeah, but you don't want anybody to slip and fall.
Nobody is. She has a rubber sole. Don't worry. All right, guys. Mary has always been a bossy to me, but I still love her. She looks amazing. Mary, smile. She keeps me on my toes. But anyhow, looks gorgeous. And what can I say? I don't need to say nothing because it shows. The haircut and hair color shows itself. Proof is in the pudding, you know. Talk is cheap. Look at the work. Boom. Tito has a friend, guys. Tito has a friend. Tito, what are you doing? Oh, we got a Franklin here, Mary's puppy.